Coca Cola camera.
I like that shot.
Hello. Okay, so this is a 1998 Coca Cola camera that's like shaped like a can, but it's a point and shoot camera. It's a 35mm and it's film. And today I'm gonna take some pictures on it. And I'm sure that this is some rare collectible thing, but I found it in an antique store for pretty cheap. So me, being curious, I'm gonna use it. This is weird. That's really weird. Yeah, it has a built-in flash too. And it's powered by a AA battery. So I'm gonna read the directions and put the film in it and start it up. And then I'm gonna go around, take some pictures with it. I'm gonna bring the film to CVS because I don't have a dark room, and get it developed and see how it looks. I'm pretty excited. Oh, there we go, I got it. I got it. Then I gotta stick this in there. Make sure it has a grip. Uh-oh. Oh, I got it. Maybe I'll be working now. Yo, I took a picture. Sick. Okay, it's working now. Let's go take some pictures. Okay, yeah, Mason, you forgot to turn on the mic.
It's okay.
It's okay. It was only for 2 pictures. At least it wasn't for the entire thing.
Yeah, that would be terrible.
That would have sucked.
I also make sure like everything's like accurate.
Oh.
Reid. Oh my god.
Okay. So dark in here, this ended. Okay. Bro, you want a sip? You know, this is something that like I feel like James Bond or someone would use. You know, just like walking around like the airport. Oh, there's a target. Oh, the thing wasn't up. There's a target. You know?
He's like, I miss digital.
I do miss digital. Better. Film's always fun to like go back to the photographer roots though. Of Coca Cola. And then I want to get one behind it too. Yeah, like I want to get like a motorcycle right there in the middle of the pathway. It's so cool. Pretty fast. I want to get a shot of it flying around. It's probably so shaky.
Yeah, it's probably.
No.
You want me to move?
No, you're good. Light going down on it. We'll do portraits. That's better.
What?
Might be done.
Really?
Maybe.
Check.
I'm not gonna open it. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Well. Yeah, it's all out. So I'm gonna rewind it, and then yeah, this is how you rewind it. You push in this button here, and then you flick up that, and then you just rewind it. I was advancing it. You gotta rewind it all the way until it's like back in the canister, so when you open it, it doesn't like get ruined. Okay, I think it's good. So we're gonna take this now to CVS, and I'm not sure how long it takes to develop the film. If we get it today, we get it today. If we don't, I'll come back tomorrow. Okay, we just went to CVS, drop off the film, and I guess it'll take like a week to develop it because they have to send it out. They don't even develop it there, so whatever. But right before I dropped it off, I decided to, you know, rewind it into the canister thingy or whatever it's called. I thought I had it rewound all the way, and I popped it open, and some of it was still sitting at the back, and I'm not sure if that was just like right at the start of it, like it was just like the very first bit of it, or if it was the entire, like the entire reel that was out. Because if it's the entire reel, then obviously, as I was saying, I might have ruined the entire thing if the entire thing wasn't rewound like I thought it was, even though it like stopped clicking and all that, and I thought it was fine, but whatever. If it's just the start of it, then it should be fine, but if it's the entire thing, then obviously the entire film's ruined, and I'll come back at some point and take more pictures. I'll just need to go buy more film and take more pictures, but if it's fine, it's fine. We'll see. Finally came in. I'm gonna open it now and take a look at how it turned out. Okay, this is a CD with a bunch of the shots all on the CD. I think I ordered doubles on this, so there's actually like 56 pictures in this, not 28. Okay, that's the last shot, I think. Where's the first shot? Okay, this is the first shot. There we go. Yeah. So we'll go from the back. Yeah, I ordered doubles, so there's 2 of each. Probably gonna give the other ones to Mason. Not sure what this is, where this was, but that's the second shot. Here's shot number 3. Shot number 4. Oh yeah, these are not in order, because that was back with number 3, I think. Oof. Yeah, so I'm not thinking this camera is like really for like low light whatsoever, because what I'm noticing is that it looks like it's set at a certain ISO and oh wow, that was not centered at all. The red door is pretty cool though. Yeah, it looks like it's set at a certain ISO. Yeah, here's the blurry shot of the pigeon. Yeah, the ISO, because it looks fine in like the daylight, just like a little grainy obviously because it's film, but in like the low light pictures, you can like really tell it's like coming up on the sides and it's just so much noise. It gets a little gross, you know. This is actually the same place that I took this shot, but that one was at night. That's a lot of green. Green came out really strong. Yeah, and this one's cut off. That looks like that's the end of the film right there. So, overall, they're not terrible shots, that's for sure. For a Coca Cola can, they could be a lot worse. Not bad at all. But I don't know how often I'll actually shoot with it. That also kind of depends on if I can actually find the film for it. I had fun shooting with it. I haven't shot film in a couple years, and it was a lot of fun. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Glad you could check it out. I had a lot of fun shooting film again. Definitely gonna shoot more.
I'll catch you in the next one.